everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know.
I really want to come drinking with you. You be my American boy. It's really, really nice to meet you.
Nightlife in downtown Van. So we're off to go to the fireworks. It's like a, what even is it?
It's a celebration of light. Basically, Canada, India, and Croatia are all involved. So it's like a competition to see who has the best fireworks. And Canada's been in it every year.
It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. At the stage where they lead off the fireworks, it's really close to the land. So we're just gonna feel the vibration, like the boom and the boom 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 inside of us, and it's just, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm really wanting some Dairy Queen right now. It's just ice cream and it's like really thick and they tip it upside down. And if the ice cream comes out, then you get it for free. No, the next one you get for free, which is kind of annoying, like you should get that one for free. But yeah, it's just like really thick. I'm in such a happy mood right now. Whoa, that was so flash. The fireworks have started. There they are, I can see them. We made it. What do you mean? Still hyped, that's how good it was. Okay, so I have the keys to the van, the Gapper van. Trying to find where everyone is because we split up to just go to the fireworks. We're like trying. We're trying to find the van, and like we have an idea like whereabouts it is, but apart from that, we're kind of just guessing. I'm really dehydrated, so I got some Fiji water, just my usual water that I drink, you know. No, it just tastes exactly the same as normal water. Don't know why people get Fiji water. Okay, the guy's looking. Oh my gosh. The front isn't tinted. Oh my gosh. We're currently in the van, just still me and Jade. No one has messaged me back saying where they are or like who I'm even driving back home. Oh. I'm just really cautious of like who's around. I just have to keep looking around the van, making sure that no one's gonna like. There was a guy with a torch when we came around, and he was in the white car over here with a torch, like looking through the windows. It's the next day, and I drove the car to Richmond Centre, which is like a mall. It's humongous. I just hang out by myself, and then the girls came and joined me. Guess what I just got? Some jeans, some mom jeans. So okay, I've been looking for mom jeans for a very long time, like a couple of months. Never have I ever found some jeans that have fit me nicely. So I'm really excited right now. And they're blue and they're denim, and I just Okay, so I'll show you guys the jeans I've got. Mom jeans.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool. This is it. The bottoms. Got a top from Forever 21. Pretty nice.
I just smelled like a homeless person last night.
Wait, it's disgusting.
That's okay. Because I smelled like piss and then I smelled like vomit. It's disgusting. That is the smell of homeless. Congratulations.
We're off to Ikea! This is what Canadian buses look like.
Look what you've done to me.
Again. I'm trying to find Izzy. She's lost in the bed section and we can't find her. She said bed section. Oh, she's probably sleeping on one.
Where's the rhinoceros?
Oh, ricin.
Took the biggest piss ever.
Oh wow. People are kind of sick now when I get it. Guys, should we hide all together?
Wait, I'll just sit in the food. No. I'll go order another food.
Should I hide here? No, it'd be too easy.
Yeah, no profit.
Like and subscribe to Alina Brandon. Right in there. Yeah. Okay, I'm in my hiding spot. There's a wardrobe here. I am officially the seeker now, so I'm counting. I'm up to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So many people are looking at me right now and I feel really uncomfortable. 25. Hi, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fun. Yeah, I'm going to go find him now. Feels a little bit embarrassing to be honest. Why did I do that? Should be looking properly, not badly. Found you! Oh, hey, no one's in there. Who's so many people looking at me? Okay, you gotta look under beds. I don't see anyone. I'm going really bad at the moment. I feel like I don't have much time left. What? Oh.
I'm feeling so bad. You're gonna be such a bad.
Why are you doing pills in the bathtub?
It's my own pills. Yeah. No. That sounds so bad.
Okay, sadly, it was time to leave Ikea. What an experience that was. It was pretty fun. Our purchase, well, Bella's purchase is a rug for our cabin. Hello, it is my last half day off before I have to go back to work. Yeah, I'm just going to explore West Van, like a little town. It's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna walk along the seawall and everything. I've just seen a really cool little marketplace, so I'm gonna go check that out. I love markets. Have you guys ever seen an actual crane move? You know how like in cities you just see the big cranes and they never even move? Wow, here's your time to see a crane that is moving. Okay, so the crane has actually stopped, but that guy, he is the crane driver and he's climbing down that ladder. Okay, never mind, the market. I think it's like for night time. They're just setting up, so they'll have a bust. I'm so excited. So I've been trying to like catch buses to get to where I need to go. And like I got cash out, but they only take coins. And I'm like, just have two $5 notes. I'm like, well, what do I do? Because I lost my Compass card yesterday. Don't know where it went. But the bus drivers, both of them said take 2 buses because the others would come pick me up here at the mall. I got my kids some little treats. So I got some milk duds. It's like a caramel type thing inside. And like if my kids are good, I'm just gonna give them one. Like first one to get changed, ready for jump jam, gets a milk dud. And then I got some popcorn because we're gonna do a sneak out. And a sneak out is basically where like you go off on your break at night, which is at 9:45 p.m. and you like do your paperwork and then you like come back and wake them up. They probably won't be asleep by then, but you'll wake them up and then you're like, come on guys, we're gonna go on a sneak out. and then I'll bring some popcorn and everything, and then I got some mini bears for night snack, you know. I'm trying to be a really good counselor. Like this week, it's my goal to make everyone just love camp to the most potential. I'm gonna treat these kids, sneak outs, do pranks on other cabins. It's gonna be so much fun. Best Counselor Award, here I come. Comment down below if you want me to do a video on like how I'm finding being a counselor for summer camp and just like working at a camp being an instructor. These losers have come to pick me up.
You're welcome.
We're all off to camp now. Remember to like and subscribe. The car said. Okay, wait.
72! 72! Okay,